Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we will discuss how you can use the VLOOKUP in different sheets. So we're going to give you an example of how to use the VLOOKUP in different sheets. So imagine here we have a situation. We have here some students with test scores and a grade. And Allison has a test score of 70 and we need to grade Allison accordingly. However, it's not only Allison, but we have every student here. And our grades, or at least the table with the grades, is in a different worksheet. As you can see here, we have our test score and the grade, meaning if you have a score of 70, your grade will be letter C. So if you can see here, Allison supposed to get a grade C, and Frank should supposed to be a grade C, and John probably B, etc, etc. So how can we do this quickly and easily? Well, luckily, the VLOOKUP function is very useful, and in this case, we're going to use a different sheet to get the value. So let's type in here VLOOKUP. And then once you click in VLOOKUP with open parentheses, Excel understands this is the VLOOKUP formula, and instead of using the helper here, I'll just click here for the formula builder. So it's a more extensive way to help. And the formula builder will give you 4 specific questions. Number 1, what is the lookup value? In this case, the lookup value is the test score. And the test score right now is Allison is number 70, so we select this cell here. Question 2, the table array. So where can we find the values with the grades? If you go here on the next tab, you will see here, just pay attention to this, you will see that this starts to change. If I click here on the grade table tab, you can see here the grade table tab is being recognized here in the table array, meaning that Excel understands that the value is in a different worksheet with the name grade table. And then as we select these here, that's what we need. So we're basically saying in Excel, please search it in the tab or the worksheet grade table, and then search for the cell A2 up to B7. That's exactly what we want. That's correct. And the third question is, what's the column index number? Meaning, where can we find the value that we want to extract? So we inputted the value here of the test score. That's the comparing value. But the extracted value is this one here, meaning this is the second column of our selection. Please note this is the column based on the selection. So in this case, column number 2. I click on this and that's been selected. And then the final question is the range lookup. Is this a range lookup, meaning a specific range from 70 to 80 equals letter C, and then 80 to 90 equals letter B? Yes, that's our situation right now. If it's that situation, you put in number 1. If you would have a different situation where you say, well, I want to get the exact match, meaning 76 here should be also in the grade table as exactly 76, and that would mean something, then you will have to put in here exact match, meaning 0. In this case, we have the range lookup, so we're done. We put in 1 here, it says true, that's correct. The result is letter C, and that's exactly what we want done. And let's close the formula builder, and there you are. So this works, and if you put in now 80, it should change. There you are. So the next part, what we want to do is, we want to extend it all. But if we extend all like this, we get an error message. And the reason why we get this error message, because the values are moving down. You can see here, this table array is consistently going down with 1 row. You can see here, and here, and here. And the reason why that happens is we didn't freeze the cells. So let's freeze those cells as well, and then we can use the formula. So first of all here, type in F4, and you can see dollar signs here in the table array cell, and then that's correct. And now one more time for B7, we also type in F4, and you get again 2 dollar signs. Enter. So now the cells are frozen and locked into place. Drag them down, and it works exactly as we want. So if you put in here 90, we get a A, and if you do 96, we get a A+. Perfect. So this is the way how you can use VLOOKUP in different sheets. And this is really a very simple example, and you can go very advanced with it. So if you have any questions, check out the link below. In there, we have a wonderful Excel course for free that you can try yourself. And if you have any questions, just post them in the comments and I'll make sure I'll respond back to you.